Okay, guys, this is Chapter 7, Lesson 1, Guided Practice, the volume of cylinders. For number 1, it says determine the volume of each cylinder round to the nearest tenth. If you look at your reference chart, the formula for the volume of a cylinder is going to be V equals B times H. You need to understand that the big B, the capital B, stands for the area of the base. And of course, when you're talking about a cylinder, your base is going to be a circle. So you need to find the area of the circle first. Once you find the area of the circle, then you can multiply it by the height of the whole cylinder, which of course would be that length right there, which would be labeled as your height. Be sure to write the formula for each one so I don't have to count it wrong. You have the area of the base, which is a circle, so you have pi r squared, times the height. Once you write the formula, go ahead and replace the variables with numbers. You have pi times 7 squared times 20. At this point, you can use your calculator. You can even, instead of putting 3.14 for the pi, there is a pi symbol on your calculator that is right to the left of the letter H on the bottom. Press that, and then type in the rest just as it looks, and then hit enter. It should give you 3,078.8. Number 2, you're going to write down the formula. Replace the variables with the numbers. It should give you 1,809.6. And something I forgot to do on number 1 is make sure you put feet and make sure you put cubed, because we're looking for the volume. You're looking for how many cubes will fit in the cylinder. Number 3, start with the formula. Replace the variables with numbers. Be careful on number 3. If you notice, it gives you the diameter instead of the radius. Anytime it does that, you need to make sure you cut it in half so that you get the radius. Because if you put 4 instead of 2 right here, you're going to get it wrong. Okay, and that should give you 150.8 inches cubed. Number 4, write your formula. Replace your variables with numbers. And that should give you 230.9 yards cubed. If there's anyone that still doesn't know how to put that little squared sign, it is on your calculator right to the left of the number 4. It actually has an X and then a little 2 on top. That is your squared sign on your calculator. Number 5, write your formula. For number 5, notice that they're giving you the diameter again. Make sure you divide it by 2 to get the radius. So 5.3 divided by 2 should give you 2.65. And then, of course, the height is still 8.7. And that should give you 191.9 meters cubed. Number 6, write down your formula. Replace your variables with numbers. That gives you 70.3 inches cubed. Number 7, write down your formula. Replace the variables with numbers. And put it in your calculator, and it should give you 1,143.4 centimeters cubed. Number 8, write your formula down. Replace the variables with numbers. Should give you 125.7 feet cubed. Number 9, write down the formula. Replace the variables with numbers. Make sure for number 9 that you do get the radius, because they give you the diameter, so divide the diameter by 2, which gives you 5. That should give you 314.2 millimeters cubed. Number 10, write down the formula. For number 10, make sure you divide 7.1 by 2 so you can convert the diameter to the radius. That should give you 39.6 inches cubed. Number 11, they also give you the diameter. Make sure you're cutting that in half to get the radius. That should give you 2,035.8 feet cubed. Okay, and then the last one, number 12. Again, make sure you cut the diameter in half. It should give you 48.1 inches cubed. Okay, now that you're done, go ahead and flip it over to the other side. Do the independent practice on your own. Good luck.